Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel today. Another fun day. It's fall. We're doing something wonderful with squash from my garden. And this is one that we love to make every fall, and it's wonderful. I'll be showing you what we're going to be doing here shortly. What I've done ahead of time, of course there's a little fly flying around here, is I'm using a butternut squash. I split it in half, took the seeds out, baked it in the oven, scooped it out, and I put it in this bowl, and I'm just kind of mashing it, because this is a butternut squash soup that we put all kinds of wonderful ingredients in. I've gone ahead and chopped onions, also from my garden, and fresh garlic. And then we have an Italian sausage that I'm going to be browning. And we're all doing this over coals over our area that we've got going on over here in this wonderful 10-inch cast iron pot. And I've gone ahead and measured my spices, but the spices that go into it is really kind of fun. It's sage, marjoram, black pepper, a teaspoon of each. And what I have here is a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It just does something a little bit different with the squash. I hope you're enjoying this with us today. If you just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and when you subscribe, click onto that little icon, and what that little bell does is it tells you that every Tuesday we have another one fun recipe coming out. And believe me, we got a lot of them going on. For the Italian sausage that I'm using today, I went ahead and removed the casings. And if you need to put oil on the bottom of your cast iron, you can. But this, I don't think we're going to have to. I'm going to brown this. We got a good fire going here. My legs are getting cooked. The sausage will soon be cooked too. And there was 4 of these sausages. They're pretty fat sausages. And it's the sweet Italian. What also works great too is a good German sausage. It's kind of like whatever you have on hand or you like. Okay, our Italian sausage is browning nicely, and I put in our onions and garlic, and it's cooking good. So now what I'm going to do is add my squash, and I'm going to go ahead and put this all in here. Oh boy, is this going to be yummy. And then for our liquid today, it's going to be chicken broth. My husband's got a good fire going here, I'll tell you. It'd be great if it was like 20 degrees, but it's like 88 out here. So we're a little roasty toasty. But I'm not going to complain. Could be snowing. Never know when that's going to happen in Wyoming, Montana, up here in the North Country. There we go. Now I'm going to put my spices, which I told you that was sage, pepper, and marjoram. We're going to put that in there. And that tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put about half of this. It's a 32-ounce container. Stir this well. Kind of a trick to do this when it's swinging, but I'll get it done. Okay, I'm going to mix this well, put the lid on and let it simmer for a couple hours. We'll see you then. Well, we let our soup simmer for about an hour and a half. Oh my goodness, is it looking great. And if you want it a little bit, not so thick, you could add more chicken broth if you like, but we kind of like it like this. And all we're going to serve it with tonight is some of my homemade artisan bread, which if you watch our videos, I've got some really fun ones going on out there. The one that I love with this soup is my whole wheat one. with sunflower seeds, which is really good. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Of course, I'm going to take some of this up, and my husband is going to sample it later. Actually, we both will be sampling it later. Look how nice and thick this is. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite soups. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope everybody's doing well until we meet again. Thank you.